Yo, what's up? So, I got to the gym, didn't really know what I wanted to do. So, usually when I don't know what to do, hop on the treadmill and start running. And if I don't figure out something to do, I'll either run 2 or 3 miles just to kind of gauge where I'm at for my PT test with the military. I decided I was gonna do a 300 workout. I did 20 push-ups, followed by 10 seconds of HIIT on the treadmill, which are called dead mills. You don't start the treadmill up. Treadmill is off, that's why it's called a dead mill. It's like dead. And you gotta push as hard as you can with your feet for 10 seconds. And then as soon as you're done with that, that's 1 set, so that's 30 reps. You do that 10 times, that's equivalent to 300 reps. So following this segment here is gonna be a preview of how to do a 300 workout. So if you find yourself trapped at a hotel and need a workout to do and all they have is a treadmill, that's what you can do. Dead mills, push-ups, you can substitute the push-ups for either body squats, lunges. There's so many other variations you can do, but I decided to do push-ups today. So hope you all enjoyed it. So I ended up warming up with a mile. So if you're gonna do it, run a mile and then do that. 14 minutes, 39 seconds to get a killer workout in, not including the 7:15 mile run. So about, let's just round up, say 25 minutes total with stretching in between. So 25-minute workout and I'm drenched in sweat.
Everybody taking photos. Got a sweeter chick that don't speak English, but I beat her like made in Kodo. Talking shit about the get city gon' hit cause we got ears, yo. Whole album is solo. Illmatic, that moto. I mean motto. Press that button and follow. That's all we want, yo. Stacking up these numbers. Bitches making me tumblers. Like fuck yeah, that's Sammy Adams. Keep the soundtrack to my summer. Got B-Major, got super dupes. I got skateboarders, it's a super true. No state cops, we hate cops. Do it old school, I need super loot. Call it Sammy Palooza. You heard this look like losers. I've been at this